So, my dear students, so very good evening. And today we are going to start with this liquid state. So, in the previous session, I told you about the solid states, gaseous state, and the solution also. But this is very simple chapter, simple topic. You need to understand this. See, because in this liquid state, so this is not that much important for the competitive exams. But generally for the semester exams, we need very important this liquid state. So particularly in this liquid state, you are going to understand the two major properties, that is surface tension and the viscosity. So first of all, we will introduce this liquid state here. So what is a liquid state here? Let us start with this. So what is a liquid state? So generally, let us take a matter here. So you know that matter is something that which occupies certain space and which is having certain volume here. So generally, the matter can be divided into three physical states like like solid state, and another one which is liquid state, and another one which is a gaseous state. So you know that particularly the solid, which is a solid is a rigid structure here. So the molecules will be like this. So let us say the solid molecules will be like this, and this is a liquid molecule. How they can be generated here? So let us see the molecules like this. So in the solid state, the molecule will be like this. So they are very nearer. So they are adjacent with each other. Definitely they will involve. Each molecule will have the contact with the another molecule like this. ఒక్కొక్క మాలిక్యూల్ ఇంకొక మాలిక్యూల్ కి ఇలా కంప్లీట్ గా అతికే ఉంటే దాన్ని సాలిడ్ స్టేట్ అంటారు. సో దాన్ని సాలిడ్ స్టేట్ అంటారు. సో చూడండి అన్ని మొత్తం ఒక దాంట్లోనే అతుకున్నాయి. సో లిక్విడ్ స్టేట్ అంటే దేర్ విల్ బి సర్టెన్ గ్యాప్ లైక్ దిస్. దేర్ విల్ బి సర్టెన్ గ్యాప్ లైక్ దిస్ ఇన్ ద లిక్విడ్ స్టేజ్. మాలిక్యూల్స్ అన్ని ఇలా కొంచెం దూరం ఉంటాయి లైట్ గా. And next, the gaseous state, the molecules will be very high. The distance will be very high like this. So the molecules will be somewhat far away from the comparing with the liquid state and the solid state. You know that the solid, generally the majorly you can understand that it is a rigid. So attraction forces here. So whatever the attraction force which are greater than the repulsive forces. So general గా మాలిక్యూల్ కి రిపల్సివ్ అట్రాక్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి, అట్లనే అట్రాక్టివ్ ఫోర్సెస్ ఉంటాయి, రిపల్సివ్ ఫోర్సెస్ కూడా ఉంటాయి. సో అట్రాక్టివ్ ఫోర్సెస్ ఎక్కువ అయినప్పుడు మనకు సాలిడ్ స్టేట్ వస్తుంది. సో ఇఫ్ అట్రాక్షన్ ఫోర్సెస్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ ఈక్వల్ విత్ ద రిపల్షన్ ఫోర్సెస్, మనకి లిక్విడ్ వస్తుంది. సో మొత్తం రిపల్షన్ ఎక్కువ అవుతుంది అనుకోండి. సో ఇఫ్ అట్రాక్షన్ ఫోర్సెస్ ఆర్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ ద ఆర్ లెసర్ దాన్ ద రిపల్షన్ ఫోర్సెస్, then you will get the gaseous state. So we need to understand this liquid state here. So generally you have to understand the differences between the solid, liquid and the gas. So you know that the solid, so particularly solid, so what is the major difference? So solid which has a fixed shape, you know that the shape is fixed for the solid. So you know that the solid ice, so whatever the solid, every solid will have certain structure, so the shape is fixed. But what about the liquid? So here the shape is fixed. What about this? It is no particular fixed shape. So there is no particular shape. Here also there is no. So you need to understand here. If you take the volume, so what about the volume? It has a high volume. So very good. So the volume particularly we can measure the volume here. So what about this? So we can measure the volume also. That is, you can measure 3 ml or 1 liter, 2 liters, like that we can measure the volume also. But what about the gas? So there is no fixed volume, but the volume of gas is simply the volume of container అన్నమాట. సో కంటైనర్ వాల్యూమే, కంటైనర్ ఒకవేళ ఈ షేప్ ఉంది అనుకోండి, అదే షేప్ లో గ్యాస్ ఎంత ఉంది అని మెజర్ చేయడం. సిలిండర్ షేప్ ఉంటే సిలిండర్, సర్క్యులర్ ఉంటే స్పెరికల్ గా ఉంటే స్పెరికల్. The volume of container is equal to the gas volume here. So that is the case here. So I don't want to tell you much about the solid, liquid, gas. So I will give you the notes also. You can easily understand the differences between the solid, liquid and gas, because we need to discuss the liquid state here. So liquid state is very important now. So what are the properties generally we need to understand here? The force of attraction between the solid molecules, whatever the solid molecule, the force of attraction. So we need to understand first the attraction forces or the cohesive forces between the solid, liquid and the gas. So first of all, let us understand the interaction forces here. Interaction, whatever the forces. So force of attraction forces. So what are the interaction forces here? So generally, interaction forces are generally classified into two types. So that is van der Waal forces. One is van der Waal forces, and the other one which is hydrogen bonding. You know that particularly these two generally force of attractions are present in every molecule. But what is this van der Waal forces? So van der Waal, it is again classified into three types. One is dipole and dipole interactions, dipole interaction, and this is the second one, that is dipole induced interaction, dipole and induced dipole interactions, and the third one which is London dispersion forces. London dispersion forces. So what is all these things? So let us understand very simple what is van der Waal forces. So I will tell you one thing about the van der Waal forces, that is, so what is a dipole first? So dipole is nothing, very simple. It is a dipole because it is having a positive charge, negative charge, positive charge, negative charge. So there will be attraction forces between these two because both are opposite charges here. So hence the bond between the interaction between this minus and plus. So this is first dipole, dipole. The word in the sense dipole, di charges, two charges will be present here. So the dipole and the dipole, they will interact with each other. So they will interact with each other. So the interaction which is called first interaction. So here we need to understand this van der Waal force of attraction here. So van der Waal force of attractions are three types. Three types. So one is dipole, dipole interaction. Another one which is second one, dipole and induced dipole. Induced dipole interaction. And the third one which is induced and induced dipole. Induced and induced dipole interaction. So this is nothing but this is called London dispersion forces. Dispersion forces. This is also called London dispersion forces. So what are these three types? Generally, the force of attraction between the molecules will be three types. So what is a dipole here? Like this. Let us see the first one. It is a dipole and it is also dipole. Positive charge, negative charge. Positive charge, negative charge. So it is a dipole here and this is also dipole. So the interaction between these molecules, the van der Waal force of attraction, the first one will be like this. Let us say the second one, dipole, induced dipole. So first there is a dipole, very good. So let us say it is a plus and it is minus. So okay, very good. Next one, it is not a perfect dipole, but it is induced dipole. Induced dipole. And there is no charge on this. So it is dipole ఉంది na. So first ఇక్కడ dipole ఉంది. This is a dipole here, first one. There is a induced dipole here. Induced అంటే దాని స్వతహాగా లేదు డైపోల్. అంటే దానికి ఛార్జ్ లేదు. కానీ తర్వాత వచ్చింది అన్నమాట. సో అట్లెట్లా వచ్చింది అని అంటే, సో వెరీ సింపుల్, దెర్ ఇస్ నో చార్జ్ హియర్ ఫస్ట్. సో how it is getting the charge? Let us say a dipole is there. So a dipole, so which is exactly like this. This is a minus here. So let us say it is a let us say it is a positive charge here. So minus. So let us say it is a minus only, very simple. And this is a positive charge. Let us say it is one dipole and it is another dipole. So we need to understand the interaction between these two here. There is no charge here, but even though it will get the charge, with the dipole which is adjacent to it. అంటే దీనికి పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా దీనికి అసలు ఛార్జ్ లేదు. దెర్ ఇస్ నో ఛార్జ్ హియర్, బట్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ డైపోల్ మైనస్ ఉన్నందు వలన దీనికి స్లైట్ గా ఇట్ సైడ్ పాజిటివ్ వస్తుంది, ఇట్ సైడ్ నెగిటివ్ వస్తుంది. అంతే కదా. సో దానికి రావడం వలన, సో ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఉందంటే ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ వస్తుంది, ఇక్కడ నెగిటివ్ వస్తుంది. సో లైక్ దట్ దెర్ విల్ బి ఇంటరాక్షన్ హియర్. సో దట్ మీన్స్, సో లెట్ us write here again. So let us remove all these things and I will write once again here. So there is no charge. A certain molecule is there and there is again charge will be there. So to interact here minus, it should be positive here. So positive ఉండాలి అంటే నెగిటివ్ మళ్ళీ ఇటు ఉండాలి. And let us say it is a positive charge and it is a negative charge. So there will be a minus which is generated in this particular molecule due to the interactions of this, and here you will get the positive charge. And the interactions of this is called dipole, induced dipole, because it is a dipole first one, but second one it is not a dipole, బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ ఇండ్యూస్డ్ డైపోల్ అంటే ప్రేరేపించింది అనమాట. సో ఈ పక్క దాన్ని ప్రేరేపించి దానికి డైపోల్ తీసుకొచ్చింది. సో అది ఇండ్యూస్డ్ డైపోల్. నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్ వన్ విచ్ ఈస్ ఇండ్యూస్డ్ అంటే దాని అర్థం ఏంటంటే ఇదొకటి ఇదొకటి. సో ఆ రెండు ఉన్నాయి పక్క పక్కన. అండ్ దెర్ ఇస్ ఎ డైపోల్ హియర్ లైక్ దిస్. ఈ పక్కన డైపోల్ ఉంది. సో లెట్ us సే మనకు ఇది పాజిటివ్ అనుకున్నాం. ఇక్కడ నెగెటివ్ సైడ్ అటాచ్ కావాలి. అంటే దాని అర్థం ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ పాజిటివ్ సైడ్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ రావాలంటే ఇక్కడ మైనస్, ఇక్కడ ప్లస్. సో ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఉండాలంటే ఇక్కడ ప్లస్, ఇక్కడ మైనస్. సో వెరీ సింపుల్. సో మనకి ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ ఉంది. సో మైనస్ అంతా ఇట్లా లాగేసుకుంటది. సో ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఉందంటే ప్లస్ మొత్తం ఇటు వస్తది. సో ద ఇంటరాక్షన్ బిట్వీన్ దిస్ which is a London dispersion forces are induced dipole interactions here. So very simple. First let us understand the force of attraction between the molecules here. So first one which is a dipole. So once again I will tell you one thing. The charge will decide the attraction forces here. So if the charge will be like this, let us say positive charge and negative charge. So here positive charge and negative charge. So they will attracted here because of the dipole interactions here. So let us say it is like this again. Positive charge, negative, negative. So then definitely there will be a repulsion between these two dipoles here. So this is a dipole interaction, the first one. And the second one which is not dipole here. So this is not a dipole here. This is a dipole. Both are dipoles only, but there is no interaction. There will be a repulsion with each other like this. So here this is the van der Waals force of attraction here. And the other one which is a hydrogen bonding. Sometimes there will be a hydrogen bonding between the molecules here. So like hydrogen bonding, that means like HCl, you can say the water molecule. So there will be a hydrogen water molecule like this. So there will be a water molecule hydrogen bonding between the, so this is not H. So I can write this is, let us say it is H, O and H. The hydrogen bonding. So most of the cases hydrogen bonding will takes place with a more electronegative atom. More electronegative atom like fluorine, chlorine, bromine like that, and the oxygen here. So there will be a more hydrogen bonding with more electronegative atom like this is the hydrogen bonding. So we need to discuss here the liquid state here. So we need to understand the properties of liquid here. So what are the major properties of the liquid here? So generally you can take the shape first. So shape and volume, you can see the shape and volume. So volume, there is no particular shape, but it has certain volume like 5 liters, 2 liters, 7 liters like that. So shape, particularly there is no shape, but if you take the container is a shape. Like if you take the square like this, so let us say the cube. So this is the cube. So if you pour water on this, so the shape of that water will be cube. So if you take again like this, so if you take like this, so this is what is the difference between these two structures? So this is a cube and this is cuboid. కొంచెం రెక్టాంగులర్ లాగా ఉంది. సో అంటే ఇందులో వాటర్ పోస్తే ఇదే దాని షేప్ అవుతుంది, ఇందులో పోస్తే అదే దాని షేప్ అవుతుంది. ద షేప్ ఇట్ డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ ద కంటైనర్ హియర్, బట్ వాల్యూమ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫిక్స్డ్. వాల్యూమ్ మాత్రం చెప్పొచ్చు పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ హ్యావింగ్ 2 liters, 5 liters, వాట్ ఎవర్ మే బి ద values here. So whatever may be the volume here, 2 liters, 3 liters like that. So the major properties of this liquid state will be two types. One is viscosity and the other one which is a surface tension. Surface tension. So these two are very very important here, and you will get the examinations here. So with these questions, exams lo chala easy ga definitely ive vastayi annamata. One is viscosity and the other one which is a surface tension. So let us understand the first one, viscosity, and then we will understand the surface tension. How we can measure the viscosity also I will explain you very detailed, because viscosity is also a experimental method, and we can also, so in our lab there is a instrument also, we can easily measure the viscosity, and we will do that experiment in the laboratory also. So what is viscosity and what is surface tension? So what is viscosity first? Viscosity. So what is viscosity here? So let us stop here. So we will discuss the viscosity in the next lecture, because the viscosity is very very large chapter. So it is a big topic. We need to determine the viscosity of a particular liquid also. So that we will discuss in the next session. It is enough now. Thank you.